Welcome again. We are in fresh series of lectures regarding organic evolution and presently we are talking about theories of organic evolution. So beta, we are today talking about the most widely talked about theory called as Darwinism or the Darwinist theory of natural selection. So Darwin's theory of natural selection was put forward by Charles Robert Darwin. The theory was put forward by Charles Robert Darwin. Before we go through the contents of the theory, let us have a brief idea about the life sketch of Charles Robert Darwin. Charles Robert Darwin was born in 1809 at a place called Shrewsbury. The place was called Shrewsbury, England. So Charles Robert Darwin was born in 1809 at a place called Shrewsbury, and Shrewsbury is in England. Charles Darwin belonged to a very reputed family. A rich family of the time that had a great repute in the society. So, beta effort ki use Charles Robert Darwin's grandfather was from the paternal side. His grandfather was Erasmus Darwin. Erasmus Darwin was a noted thinker, was a noted naturalist of his time. His grandfather from the maternal side, Wedgwood. Wedgwood was a China manufacturer. China manufacturer, by that we mean he was the leading manufacturer of China goods in England. Very rich personality. Charles Robert Darwin's father, Robert Darwin. Robert Darwin was a noted physician of his time. Charles Darwin's mother, Linda Darwin. Linda Darwin was an architect. So, a reputed family, a rich family of that time. Consequently, Charles Darwin graduated from University of Edinburgh. Charles Robert Darwin graduated from University of Edinburgh. Once he graduated, his parents wished him to become a medical practitioner, so he was sent to Oxford University. While in Oxford University, Darwin actually didn't like the subject. Darwin spent most of his time in outward ventures. He spent most of his time while drinking. He spent most of his time while playing cards and other sorts of activities. So consequently, the parents withdrew Charles Robert Darwin from Oxford University. And then they decided to send him for the study of mythology, and they wished him to become a clergyman. So he was sent to Christ's College for the study of mythology in order to become a clergyman. Now, Christ's College's मध्ये कर Charles Darwin previous practices करें repeat. He was a huge drinker. He used it to play cards. He used it to spend time. He used it to bunk his classes. So consequently, he continued his previous practices. लिहाजा Christ's College's authorities they expelled Charles Darwin as a hopeless case. He was regarded as a hopeless case. So he was expelled from the Christ's College even. So these were the negative features of the personality of Charles Darwin. Charles Darwin assumed personality means negative features. But along with all of this negativity, there were some positive aspects of the Charles Darwin's life also. He had some positive features also. For example, Charles Darwin was naturalist. He was a nature lover. He had a great love for nature. Charles Darwin was poet also. Shairi te was ye karan. Besides that, Charles Darwin, he had a great, he had a great quality that he was a keen observer. He was a keen observer. Above all, Charles Darwin's yus sari khot most positive feature was pani personality hun so was ye ki Charles Darwin had very good friend circle. And then friend manz some of the eminent scientists of that time. Emis was qaribi dost akh temis ais vanan Henslow. Henslow was pani waqtuk noted botanist. Huxley was emis dost. So yithi ais emis matlab yus emis friend circle was so was variya asal friend circle. So consequently panyan dostan hin mat sait hyok ye samkhit panni waqtikyan kenzan eminent workeran ti kenzan eminent scientist. Masalan Charles Darwin saab mauqe samkhanuk Sir Charles Lyell. Sir Charles Lyell was panni waqtuk noted paleontologist. Sir Charles Lyell is also regarded as father of paleontology. So, because he had a very good friend circle and he got opportunity to meet certain eminent workers, eminent scientists of that time. Consequently, Charles Darwin this knowledge must go here. I just want to Charles Darwin was least belief in mythology, he least believed in God. However, Pani Vaktikan cancer eminent worker and Samkhunuk in his time. And he was greatly influenced by the work of Huxley, by the work of Sir Charles Lyell. Meanwhile, Charles Darwin's mule mok ek doran gay kam England's mans draw ak jahazak. England's mans United matlab Kingdom and kor ak ship ak set for world voyage. The ship was named as HMS Beagle. HMS Beagle are set karne for world voyage. So consequently, upon the recommendation of Henslow his botanist was emissos duas, Henslow's recommendation is pet muj, Darwin's HMS Beagle's job means as a naturalist. HMS Beagle was set for world voyage. HMS Beagle go हम लोग world voyage करें in the year 1834. So consequently, HMS Beagle छु 3 variant suffer karan through the sea, and HMS Beagle traveled to the southeast coast of America at a place that place is called as Galapagos Islands. So HMS Beagle during its voyage happened to travel Galapagos Islands. Galapagos Island मतलब मानो कि अमेरिका की साउथ कोस्टस मंस ओस आइलैंड आ Galapagos Island दपन यासोस ओतान आ कुनै आइलैंड अम पछ गमस के टेक्टोनिक मूवमेंट ऑफ प्लेट्स के गमस मतलब जमीनस पे geographical changes. The result was that this single island split into several small islands. You कुनै island go split lakten islander. So yim locket islands guys separate from each other by huge distances of sea. Consequently, these small islands were subjected to different longitudes and latitudes. Automatically, yiman lakten islander must get different environmental conditions. Consequently, yeah, different environmental conditions get further. Automatically, different kinds of flora, different kinds of plants, different kinds of life they originate in these different islands. Besides that, yim ancestral island aspect animals tim gemit noman human hasa matlab yim offspring island is bane ancestral island pet tim gemit offspring island and pets shift magar although this ancestral population of animals belonged to the same ancestral species, मगर तिकाज environmental conditions आस different गमस, consequently human organism मंज आस modifications गमस. So Darwin was thrilled by the diversity of fauna, by the diversity of animals that existed in these islands. Particularly, Darwin was thrilled by the diversity of finches. Finches as birds yim yat ancestral islands peth ais basan. Yim finches yim sat ancestral island go break. Consequently, pret kun islands ai ancestral species hindio fincho mans ken finches मतलब हिस्से प्रत कुन आइलैंडस पे गई यम फिंचेस सब्जेक्ट मगर तिकाज वन छ आइलैंडस पे एनवायरमेंटल कंडीशंस अलग अलग आइलैंडन पे छ अलग अलग एनवायरमेंटल कंडीशंस सो consequently different forms of food is available in different islands now islands is तत फिंचन पेवान गुजार करन only upon fruits अडन आइलैंडन पे फिंचन पेवान गुजार करन upon insects अडन पे गुजार पेवान करन upon the what we call it as grains. Consequently, because of different forms of food available in different islands, different Galapagos islands, the beak structure and the class structure of the finches, it got modified. Darwin was thrilled by this observation. Darwin wush ki finches yim alag alag islander mans chi, timan alag alag islander pet yim finches chi rozan, timan chu beak structure different, timan chu class structure different. The beak is the class precisely matched with the type of food that is offered by that particular kind of environment. Darwin ये क्या था वुचान छु पन्ने सफरस दौरान ती छु ये रिकॉर्ड करन हम पत येल त्रेन वरियन सफर कोर HMS Beagle Darwin कर पन्ने observations note. Besides that I'm पत युथि Darwin वापस आओ अम कर पाने के experiments अम कर के experiments hybridization experiments the hybridization experiments यम Darwin कर तिमन हिंद results करिन note so Darwin sun knowledge छु var increase गसान because of the work of his friends because of the work of Sir Charles Lyell that he observed because of what we call it as observations he made during the journey of Galapagos Islands or so, because of the results that he obtained from hybridization experiments. Consequently, Doran gay mathematician akos, panne waqtuk mashhoor mathematician Robert Malthus. Robert Malthus mutlik mano ki he was eminent mathematician of his time. Ms. Robert Malthus is a zabardast figure about the miseries that mankind is facing. Robert Malthus lyokak essay about the growing human population. And essay man Robert Malthus lekhan precisely vanav ki insanan his population chi increase gasan geometrically. Yelzan resources chi increase gasan by arithmetic ratio. So increase in population doesn't keep pace with the increase in resources. Consequently, yem saat limited resources asan tawai hasa ch mankind as pewan miseries face kar. Pachu Robert Malthus lekhan ke measures as kya measures pazan tulin taki insanan his miseries gasan kam so and so. Darwin was greatly impressed by the work of Robert Malthus. So, combining all his observations upon the advice of what we call it as Sir Charles Lyell, Darwin could firstly ki ye kari panin observations publish. Magar meanwhile, yiman netijan pet Charles Darwin was वोतमुत timni netijan pet was independently काम करित Malayas mans ब्याक biologist, temis biologist was now Alfred Wallace. Alfred Wallace was almost timnai conclusion pet votmut yiman conclusion pet Charles Darwin was votmut. So consequently Darwin and the Wallace and kar panwain communication karit dyut lej Darwin and kitab ak sa kitab as co-author karmas. It was co-authored by Alfred Wallace. At kitab was now on the origin of species by natural selection. So Darwin published his observations in his book. That book is called as On the Origin of Species by Natural Selection. By natural selection. Although this book was written by Charles Robert Darwin, but it was co-authored by Alfred Wallace. At book Darwin lekhan panni theory regarding the origin of life, and that theory is called as theory of natural selection. However, the theory of natural selection published soon after it is getting published, Alfred Wallace's unfortunate death. There's a sorry criticism to face current is Charles Darwin. So consequently, let us go through the postulates of Darwin's theory of natural selection. Its main head is that is written in his published book On the Origin of Species by Natural Selection. And this theory is called as Darwin's theory. We can call it as Darwinism. We can call it as Darwin's theory of natural selection. The very first head of this theory is rapid rate of multiplication. Rapid rate of multiplication. This head of the theory is greatly influenced by the work of Robert Malthus. Yet Charles Darwin manan ki pret kansi zind zuvas hasa chi inherent tendency to reproduce at an enormous rate. Pret kan living organism chu zabardast raftaras pet offspring paida karan. For example, agar is nimon bacteria Diplococcus pneumoniae. Diplococcus pneumoniae. It is the pathogen for pneumonia that infects lungs and respiratory tract. You see, Diplococcus pneumoniae, it reproduces after every 1 hour. It has been estimated that a single Diplococcus pneumoniae has the tendency to produce 10 tons of bacteria in 24 hours. Agar akui bacteria yal trawan tamis resources asan available, ekis 24 gantan mans heki paida karit 10 tons of bacteria. Likewise, agar is nimo paramecium. Paramecium chu reproduce karan after every 24 hours. Dapan agar akui paramecium asi tuhand offsprings gasan paida pat karan tim te reproduce pat gasan tuhand offsprings paida tim te karan reproduce. Dapan single paramecium is pet hasa gasan during 1 year only. Except various doran titya paramecia paida that will occupy about 1000 times the volume of Earth. Titya paramecia gasan paida yim 1000 times the volume of Earth karan occupy. Yuta shasan enormous tendency living organism reproduce karnish. For example, agar is nimon English sparrow. English sparrow. The bird, this bird has a tendency to produce, a single bird has a tendency to produce 275 billion offspring in just 10 years. Dan variant mans heke every pair of English sparrow paida karit 2,75 billion offspring. If we take the case of codfish, you see, a codfish yasa chi ekis litras mans ya yiche ekis sata travan above 2 million eggs. Dapan agar exi codfish hind offspring karan continue to reproduce for about 5 generations only. Titsa codfishes gasan paida ki yim karan occupy whole of the Atlantic Ocean. Yim karan sorry Atlantic Ocean occupy. Netijne tel Atlantic Ocean mans baqi organisman basna. Yethe pat agar is nimon for example housefly. Ak housefly chi almost above 28 billion eggs karan release. 28 billion eggs lay karan during a single litter. If we take the case of human beings, human population has a doubling time of 30 years. Three insanın his population double gas. Elephant is slowest breeders. Agar elephant his aki pair yell trawan, huge numbers of elephants will be produced within a short span of time. So consequently, the first postulate of Darwin's theory is about the tendency of living organisms, that living organisms have an inherent tendency to reproduce at an enormous rate. Now, let us talk about the second postulate of Darwin's theory. Second postulate of Darwin's theory is about the struggle for existence. Struggle for existence. Charles Darwin wana tikyazi zindazu hasa chi reproduce karan at an enormous rate. Magar yath planetas peth chu food te shelter te baki resources limited. Planet hekne offer karit, zameen hekne offer karit food and shelter for every offspring ke. So consequently, yimim offspring ch paad gasan, yimim living beings chasan, yiman darmiyan ch ak never ending struggle for existence gasan create. And Darwin believes this never ending struggle for existence is threefold. Darwin chu wanan ye struggle for existence ch tren qisman hins magar ekis particular zindazuvas ch living organisms ch trenwai face kar. These three types of struggle for existence are, number first is interspecies struggle for existence. Interspecies struggle. Number second is intraspecies struggle for existence. Interspecies struggle for existence means struggle for existence between the members of different species. Intraspecies struggle for existence means struggle for existence between the members of same species. And number third type of struggle is struggle with the changing environment. So there are three types of struggle an organism has to face. Interspecies struggle meaning the struggle between the members of different species. Intraspecies struggle meaning the struggle between the members of same species, and struggle with changing environment. This particular zindazuvas chi tramway struggles face pevan kar. And out of these three struggles, the intraspecies struggle for existence is the most severe kind of struggle. Basically because needs and demands are precisely the same. So there is most severe kind of struggle for existence is between the members of same species. Because aki species in their member I see timanasan aki qismich needs timanasan aki qismich demands. So this is the most severe kind of struggle for existence. Then comes the third postulate of Darwin's theory. This third postulate of Darwin's theory is about the development of variations. Charles Robert Darwin wanan ki tikyazi zindazu chi enormous rate aspect multiply kara. Number one. Number two, tikyazi zameen hekne sarne afford offer karit food to shelter ki. Number three, living organism chi lihaza pevan pan struggle for existence face kare. Consequently, Charles Robert Darwin of the opinion कि living organisms हसे develop karan variations. By variations, Robert Darwin implies differences. Living organisms darmiyan differences पैदा गसा. Members of the same species darmiyan differences पैदा गसा. यमन difference Charles Robert Darwin mana variations. Charles Darwin mana yim differences hekan पैदा गसित from on the morphological front, that is in the morphology, that means differences in size, differences in dimensions. These differences can be anatomical, that means differences in the internal structure of the body. These differences can be physiological. Physiological differences implies differences in the working of internal organs. or these differences can be behavioral in their reaction towards various kinds of stimuli. So, Charles Robert Darwin वनान कि living organism ची natural tendency अख अकिस निश vary गसनिच यम ची variations develop करान यम हेकन असित morphological variations, anatomical variations, physiological variations, behavioral variations. Variations are there because of struggle for existence. Variations are there because of changes in environment. Variations are there because of limited food and space. So consequently, Charles Darwin wanan yim hasa nom variations asan chi yiman variation chi precisely zikasam. Number first type of variations Darwin calls them as useful variations. By useful variations, Darwin implies those kinds of variations which help a living organism to thrive well in a particular kind of environment to face that help an organism to face the rigors of struggle and succeed in them. At opposite should back type of variations, timan variation should Charles Robert Darwin manan harmful variations. Harmful variations gay yim hurdle banan, yim rukawat banan, ikis organisms in khatar in order to win the struggle for existence. So, when you start to speak ki number first kachu Charles Darwin manan living organism chi inherent tendency to reproduce at an enormous rate. Number doim kachu manan tikaz zamin hekne sarni offspringen hin khatra food the shelter offer karik ke. So there is a never ending threefold struggle that living organisms have to face for their existence. Treim kachumanan Charles Robert Darwin ki living organism ch biological inherent tendency to develop variations. These variations can be useful and these variations can be harmful. Now the fourth head of the theory is about the selection of organisms. Monchu vichun kum organisms gasan survive, kum organisms karan win the struggle for existence, to kum organisms karan lose. This thing is dealt in Darwin's fourth postulate. This is called a natural selection. Natural selection. Fourth postulate of Darwin's theory. Natural selection is also called as survival of fittest. Survival of fittest. Now Charles Darwin implies that offspring of man should survive. Who's guys survive, it is to be determined by nature. Charles Darwin wana nature hasaichu offspring and survival khatre select karan upon their variations. So nature should timni karan select human useful variations. Useful variations for that kind of environment. So human organism and harmful variations also. They are not selected to get continued. So nature selects only those organisms to continue which have useful variations, and those with harmful variations are not allowed to continue. So consequently, in other words, manavaski nature chu select karan fit. Yim organisms fit asan timni kar select for survival. Yim unfit asan timan karne select. This is called survival of fittest, and survival of fittest occurs precisely on the basis of variations. So variations are considered by Charles Robert Darwin as the basis of evolution, as the raw material for evolution. Now the last head of Darwin's theory, combining all of the above factors, what do we get? The last head of Darwin's theory is origin of species. Finally, natural selection gives rise to origin of species. Precisely vanan Charles Robert Darwin, tikyazi zindazu chi reproduce karan enormously. Tikyazi zindazu chi zabardast raftar spet reproduce karan. Tam pat tikyazi offspringen chi face pevan karan struggle for existence. Meanwhile, organisms should develop karan variations. And but the variations are tested by nature through its natural selection. So, organisms over generations together continue to develop variations. They continue to develop variations. And useful variations are not only selected by the nature to continue, but useful variations are also inherited. So consequently, the progeny is always a little bit deviated from the parents. Progeny is always a little bit modified than the parents. And this process continues for generations together. So over a period of time, if grand descendant, agar grand descendant karon compare with grand ancestor, there will be marked difference. Because safely when a grand ancestor belonged to one species, grand descendant belongs to another species. Not only this, if the offspring of the same parent get separated from each other, they get subjected to different kinds of environments. They will develop different kinds of variations. These variations in different groups will be carried to their progeny. Over a period of time, if the descendants of these two populations are compared with each other, there will be marked difference. So safely, an ancestral species can give rise to several different kinds of species. So in this way, Darwin believes that evolution takes place. In this way, Darwin believes that origin of fresh species takes place. So this much was about the theory of Charles Robert Darwin. Now Darwin sufficed his theory with certain evidences as well. There are some evidences that support the occurrence of, that support the truth of Charles Darwin's theory. For example, first postulate of, so we are now talking about the evidences in favor of Charles Robert Darwin's theory. We are talking about the evidences in favor. There are some evidences that favor the theory of Robert Darwin. For example, Charles Darwin used Godnick postulate regarding the rapid rate of multiplication, rapid rate of productivity, rapid rate of producing offspring. It is a true biological phenomenon and it very much exists. Rapid rate of multiplication is a true biological phenomenon. Modern biology of the opinion that living organisms have tendency to produce huge numbers of offspring. So there is no doubt in Darwin's first, what we call it as postulate. Second postulate, Darwin talks about struggle for existence. It is very much there. Struggle for existence, this thing is accepted by modern biology as well. So struggle for existence, there is no doubt in it. Organisms definitely have to face struggle for existence. Third postulate of Darwin's theory regarding the variations. Occurrence of variations is definitely a biological phenomenon. Although Darwin called these differences as variations, modern biology might call them by different names, but these things do exist. For example, biological phenomenon कि दुनियास मंज z organism of the same species, even of the belonging to the same parents, even yim precisely in all respects ralan panwan ki. So variations are definitely there, although not in the sense Darwin believed them to be, but variations, occurrence of variations is a biological phenomenon. The modern biology should pie what are the sources of variations. Tam doesne Darwin's pie yim variations kit perch exist gasan, but Darwin believed in variations, so does the modern biology. So far as natural selection is there, natural selection as biological world does believe. Natural selection is a biological phenomenon. It occurs, although not in the sense Darwin believed, but natural selection is definitely a biological phenomenon. Another proof in favor of Charles Robert Darwin's theory came from his own hybridization experiments. Darwin has panin ke hybridization experiments karni, timan hybridization experiment use result that is quite in parallel with the Darwin's theory. So his own experiments, support his own views. That is, agar as we show, if we see the fossil record, another evidence, if we see the fossil record, im sat is comparative study karo fossil record, im sat is fossils karo study belonging to different strata, is wichan ki pranyan stratan manz yem fossils as. Godnich kat ki tim organisms, most of these organisms, they do not exist nowadays. Consequently, because ki yim pran matlab fossils as, tim organisms modern matlab time manz variya tim organism exist gasan ki. So I that hako is when timan asan harmful variations liaza chin tim exist gasan ki. Besides that, yelis adjacent straton hin fossils panwan compare karo. Ashi vichan ki pran yim zan organisms che asmit tim hasa che asmit less adapted as compared to the fresher organisms. In precise, modern organisms are better adapted to present day environmental conditions, while as past organisms are better adapted. This goes completely in favor of Darwin's theory. Yet another evidence in favor of Darwin's theory is if we compare the length of proboscis of nectar feeding insects with the depth of floral nectaries. Various insects ch tim ch flower and hindis juice aspect nectar aspect guzar karan. Yim insects ch suck karan nectar from the flowers by one of their mouth parts called proboscis. Alag alag area manz ch flower an asan alag alag depth of nectar. तो यम साथ अस अलग अलग आइडियान हिंजन पोशन हिंदी नेक्ट्रीज डेप्थ च विचार तम पत करोन स डेप्थ कंपेयर विद द इंसेक्ट्स present in that area and with the proboscis of the insects. There's a close, these two things are correlated. Yiza akis areas manz proboscis as length chasan almost it has a correspond current to the depth of floral nectar. So this thing also is in favor of what we call it as Charles Darwin's theory. So these are some strong evidences that prove Darwin's theory of natural selection. Another proof in favor of Darwin's theory of natural selection comes from mimicry. The phenomenon of mimicry was given by William Bates, first of all, and mimicry is a strong evidence. Occurrence of mimicry is a strong evidence in favor of Darwin's theory. So these are some of the evidences in favor of Darwin's theory. Let us quickly sum them up. Rapid rate of multiplication is a true biological phenomenon. Struggle for existence is very much there. Variations do occur, variations do take place. Natural selection is a force in biological world, although not in the sense Darwin believed it to be, but it is a force. Then hybridization experiments in Darwin and Paneker, they gave enormous proof in favor of his theory. Fossil record suggests that older organisms less adapted as compared to the present day organisms. Length of proboscis and length of and depth of floral nectaries is precisely matched with each other. Mimicry strongly proves Darwin's theory of natural selection. Now, let us talk about the evidences against Darwin's theory. Talking about the evidences against Darwin's theory. Evidences against Darwin's theory of natural selection. One is Charles Darwin gave his theory, although this theory was supported by his friends, by some biologists like Huxley, but there was a huge number of critics to oppose this theory. That largely included the mythological world, the clergymen, mazhabi log. Timo kar Darwin's theory zabardast opposition. Not only clergymen, not only mythological world did oppose Darwin's theory, but some eminent scientists of the time also opposed it, also criticized Darwinism. These scientists included Sir Richard Owen. Sir Richard Owen. These scientists included what we call it as a biologist like Sedgwick, Adam Sedgwick. They strongly opposed Darwin's theory of natural selection. And they raised certain serious objections. Masalan, Godnich objection yes Darwin's theory khilaf raise gay. Darwin chu banawan base of evolution, raw material of evolution variation. Yimo biologisto yel Darwin sins work कर study yimo wush ki yiman variation his Darwin kath chu karan. They were not actually exact variations, they were actually fluctuations. And these fluctuations died out in a single generation. And they were not inherited from parents to offspring. These fluctuations failed to get inherited. So the variations that upon which Darwin's theory is based upon, they were not concrete. Tim variations are mere fluctuations. The tim variations are inherited in a single generation. Doim kathi ki Darwin chu variation his kath karan. Magar Darwin fails to differentiate between somatic and germinal variations. Darwin has no idea about somatic and germinal variations. Trim kathi ki Darwin bases his theory upon variations. Darwin considers variations as raw material for evolution. But Darwin has no knowledge about the actual sources of variations. The sources of variations came to the light after Charles Darwin. They came to the knowledge of biological world after Charles Darwin. Darwin knew nothing about the sources of variations. Darwin talks about useful and harmful variations. But he fails to explain about the over-specialization of certain body organs. Over-specialization of certain body organs. Certain body organs like antlers of deer. Antlers of deer. Like tusks of elephants. Yim body organs yim actually emis living organisms fayde din khotan zyada pan noksan nahi divan. Magar they continue to exist. अगर इस यम organs करो compare यम organs करो put in Darwin's theory, they are then harmful variations. Then how do these organs continue? अच्छा, Darwin's theory fails to explain the occurrence of vestigial organs. Vestigial organs are there, they continue to be there for thousands of generations. But the fun and purpose of vestigial organs is unknown. They are rather harmful for the organism than being useful, but they continue to be there. What is the fun and purpose of vestigial organs? Darwin's theory fails to explain it. Darwin's theory talks about the survival of fittest, but fails to explain certain phenomena like arrival of fittest. In the course of evolution, we see that certain organisms should fate geshit even ore. Darwin chumanan survival of fittest, but Darwin's theory fails to explain the phenomenon of arrival of fittest. Another objection against Darwin's theory is that Darwin, according to Charles Darwin, practical organisms gasan variations, tim variations gasan pat classify as useful and harmful variations. Pat could nature select useful variations according to its parameters. The offspring gasan with useful variations, tim gasan consistently, matlab tim gasan consistently further vary and the process will continue to be there indefinitely. But there are some forms, which are unchanged since the time start, since the beginning. Organisms which have undergone no change. For example, Selaginella. Selaginella, emis organisms chan kuhun change goes from millions of years. Crocodile. crocodile chu emission kahin evolution comes from millions of years. It has been as it was millions of years before, and it continues to be like that. So human unchanged forman mutlik chu Darwin's theory silent. Session hekan explain karit the occurrence of unchanged forms ki. Besides that, Darwin's theory छ ये छ वनान कि मतलब Darwin's theory छ unchanged form te छन ये explain हेकन करित किहिन. अच्छा Darwin's theory छन अहंजी theory मन छन जाई का mutation हिंद कर. Darwin छ mutation वनान insignificant changes. Darwin छ mutation call करन sports. Darwin's theory has no place for mutations. Whereas modern biology has proved that mutations is definitely mutation should definitely act agent in bringing about the course of evolution. Although mutations are wholly and solely responsible for evolution, but mutation is definitely one of the forces behind the course of evolution. Whereas Darwin's theory finds no place for what we call it as mutations. Besides that, Darwin's theory you setback out. Side khod board setback on Darwin's theory, Darwin and Panay. Darwin and she yemi theory allow basic theories this much. The tim theories she depict karan ki Darwin's kota poor knowledge regarding the biology. Darwin's kota poor knowledge regarding taxonomy, regarding physiology, regarding behavior, and even Darwin's kota poor knowledge regarding genetics. For example, Darwin and this Byakhak theory, that theory chumanan Darwin's theory of pangenesis. In साथ study करो Darwin's theory of pangenesis, अच्छे विचार कि Darwin's कूता poor knowledge regarding genetics. या Darwin's kota poor knowledge regarding embryology. Sunafer ch inheritance kat karan yemis panun knowledge regarding the inheritance ch zero. So there is a theory given by Darwin apart from his theory of natural selection. That theory is called as theory of pangenesis. Theory of pangenesis manchu Darwin manan ki yasasa male sins body chasan. Male sins body hun pret kam part hasa chu panin mimics karan pad. Timan mimican chu Darwin manan pan genes. And but you Darwin manan ki pret kam body part kar mimics pad male sins body part. And but yim pan genes hasa vatan into the blood stream. Blood kar yiman pan genen carry to the testes of the male. Testes kar pad the sperms. Sperman mans gasan pan genes pack. So yim pan genes yim sat panwain ralan yim then rise to a miniature copy of the adult. Miniature copy of the adult. Yeri miniature copy of the adult vati inside the mother's body. Mother's body chan kahin kam sadi sirf life to the organs. For example, अगर ये organism सुन head छु according to Darwin head बनाए pan लकट मकट कापियाक लकट मकट pan gene लकट मकट head neck बनाए लकट मकट neck organs बनावन लकट मकट mimics limbs बनावन लकट मकट mimics यम सारी mimics यम सारी pan genes गसन combine inside the testes मंज बने अख miniature copy of the organism ये miniature copy of the organism गसे pack inside the sperm. This sperm with miniature copy of the organism gets transfer inside mother's womb. The mother's womb bas chan kahin kam, so this is life to this miniature copy. So this was Darwin's knowledge regarding embryology. This was Darwin's knowledge regarding inheritance. To sunafar yemis inheritances mutlik kahin knowledge. Sushukana inheritance is ka, and this thing is unbelievable. Byakhak theory ch Darwin and this was theory of sexual selection. Theory of sexual selection. Theory of sexual selection asman ch Charles Robert Darwin manan ki tamam species hinder male and chasan tendency to possess females, to conquer females. Tamam species and manz males ch timan ch ak inherent tendency to capture females, to possess females, female and pet kabza karnish, panni species. Consequently, Darwin wanan ki keh males hasa chi develop karan might. Keh males chi female and pet panni species hindan female and pet kabza karan because of force. तो कह मेलस डेवलप करान कह तिथ बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर्स यम जन फीमेलन ल्योर कर मसलन ब्रिलियंट कलर्स करन कैंसन स्पीशीजन मज गसन ब्रिलियंट कलर्स पद कैंसन स्पीशीजन मज गस मेलोडियस वॉइस पद कैंसन स्पीशीजन मज गसन के एडिशनल स्ट्रक्चर मस्कुलाइन स्ट्रक्चर्स लाइक हॉर्न्स लाइक एंटीलर्स एटसेट्रा पद यम सत फीमेल्स ल्योर गसन तो यथ पट हसा छु ऑर्गेनिज्मन दरमियान गसान सेक्सुअल डायमॉर्फिज्म क्रिएट ये मॉडर्न बायोलॉजी हिंदन पैरामीटरन मज ये थ्योरी करोन कंपेयर वुचान कि मेल से योत टेंडेंसी आसान टू गेन द अटेंशन ऑफ द फीमेल फीमेल्स आल्सो हैव दिस टेंडेंसी तो कैंसन फीमेल कैंसन स्पीशीजन मज फीमेलन मज ये टेंडेंसी लबन ग्रेटर देन द मेल्स सो consequently this theory of sexual selection, Darwin's theory of sexual selection, in the light of modern biology, completely lacks sense. Yem sat yem z theories wichan Darwin's was biology hun knowledge almost very poor, variya kam. To so hekne ekis concrete youth nafar hekne ekis concrete biological phenomenon spect conclusive view point kun thait. So in the light of these objections, Darwin's theory at that time was not well accepted. Another blow to Darwin's theory came in 1900 when Mendel's laws were rediscovered, when the mechanism of inheritance was unleashed before the biological world. So in the light of these developments, in the light of then De Vries' theory of mutation, in the light of modern concepts like isolation given by Wagner, like speciation, like another developments Hardy-Weinberg's law, like what we call it as Hardy-Weinberg's law of genetic equilibrium, like Sewall-Wright effect. In the light of modern concepts in biology, in the light of modern knowledge in biological world, Darwin's theory seemed to get faded away. So this much was about Darwin's theory of natural selection. We will be soon together with yet another concept of organic evolution. Till then, take care.